I'm Polly Bath, and I specialize in helping schools to navigate change and intervene with difficult behavior, specifically behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer a question coming out of a high school. Here goes. Our school spirit has seriously declined in the last couple of years thanks to the lockdowns. How do we get it back? Boy, this is huge. We need school spirit to come back. We need kids to get excited when they get off the bus and say, I'm here for the next 5.5 or 6 hours. I don't have to navigate any problems in my life. I've got supportive people around me. We're having a good time, and I'm learning curriculum in the process. Isn't that what we all want? Well, if we want that, we're gonna have to get excited ourselves. Really, we are. Readdress your school values. Look at those values and get excited about them. Don't just have posters on the wall that say we are respectful and responsible and we are community and we are, accountable and we are. Be it. If you are it, be it. But we have to be it in front of them. If you've got like a school spirit day on Fridays and you're supposed to be wearing your school t-shirt and 50% of us are wearing it and the other 50% aren't because we're just not into it, that's a problem. We've got to get on board. We've got to get excited about the school ourselves. Maybe do some silly things. Get off of that. What's opening day look like? Do it differently. What do days look like when kids come back from vacation? Do it differently. Throw them a curveball once in a while. Make that environment a place where kids come back to the place like, this place is cool. It's great. My worries aren't there during the day when I'm in school. We're having fun. And you know what's really great is the adults around me are having fun. See, and when we see people around us having a better time, we tend to want to get excited about the environment too. So see what you can do to change it up. Thanks for watching today. If you have comments about this subject, you can put those down below. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in a future video, put that down below as well.